Hey, what's up everybody? And let's be real, we've all made some iffy financial choices. Those small slip-ups can snowball into costing you thousands over time. Whether you're just starting to budget or you're a seasoned pro, this video is your guide to dodging money pitfalls. We'll break down the most common financial mistakes and how you can steer clear of them. Let's get into it. Alright, let's start with the golden rule of personal finance. Don't spend more than you earn. This might sound simple, but in today's world it's easier said than done. With the convenience of credit cards and the allure of buy now, pay later apps, it's incredibly easy to fall into the trap of spending money you don't actually have. Credit cards and buy now, pay later apps make it easy to live beyond your means. These tools can be helpful in emergencies, but relying on them for everyday expenses can quickly lead to mounting debt and financial stress. Living paycheck to paycheck, constantly stressed about money, that's not the vibe we're going for. Financial stress can take a toll on your mental and physical health, affecting your overall well-being. It's important to break this cycle and take control of your finances. The solution? A good, old-fashioned budget. Budgeting might seem daunting at first, but it's a powerful tool that can help you manage your money more effectively. By creating a budget, you can see exactly where your money is going and make informed decisions about your spending. It's not about restricting yourself. It's about having a plan for your money. A budget allows you to allocate funds for the things that matter most to you, whether it's saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. Think of it like a road trip. You'd map out your route, right? You wouldn't just start driving aimlessly and hope to reach your destination. Similarly, a budget helps you map out your financial journey, ensuring you stay on track and reach your goals. A budget does the same for your money. It provides a clear picture of your income and expenses, helping you identify areas where you can cut back and save. By tracking your spending, you can avoid unnecessary expenses and make the most of your hard-earned money. It helps you track where it's going, identify areas to save, and ensure you're on track to reach your financial goals. Whether you're saving for a down payment on a house, planning for retirement, or just trying to get out of debt, a budget is your roadmap to success. Creating a budget doesn't have to be complicated. Start with a simple approach and gradually refine it as you get more comfortable. The key is to get started and stay consistent. Use apps like Mint or YNAB, which connect to your bank accounts and categorize transactions automatically. These tools can make budgeting easier and more efficient, giving you a real-time view of your finances. Or, if you prefer, use a spreadsheet. Some people find that manually entering their expenses helps them stay more engaged with their budget. The important thing is to find a method that works for you. The key is to find a system that works for you and stick with it. Consistency is crucial when it comes to budgeting. Regularly review your budget and adjust it as needed to reflect changes in your income or expenses. One popular method is the 50-30-20 rule. This simple framework can help you allocate your income effectively. Allocate 50% of your after-tax income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. This balance ensures that you're covering your essentials, enjoying life, and preparing for the future, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. This method helps you prioritize your spending and ensures that you're making progress towards your financial goals. Staying within your budget is key to achieving financial freedom. By living within your means and avoiding unnecessary debt, you can build a solid financial foundation and enjoy greater peace of mind. It's about making conscious choices about where your money goes. Every spending decision should align with your financial goals and values. By tracking your spending and sticking to your plan, you'll feel more in control. Financial freedom isn't about having unlimited money, it's about making the most of what you have and living a life free from financial stress. You can't track your spending if you don't have a budget. Without a clear plan, it's easy to lose track of where your money is going. It's like navigating a maze blindfolded. You're just stumbling around in the dark. You might think you know where your money is going, but without a budget, it's all guesswork. Budgeting can seem intimidating, but it's crucial for your financial well-being. It helps you take control of your finances and reduces stress. Think of your budget as a financial roadmap. Just like a map guides you to your destination, a budget guides your spending and saving decisions. It helps you figure out where your money is going and identify areas where you might be overspending. By tracking your expenses, you can make informed decisions about your finances. Without a budget, it's easy to fall into mindless spending. you might not realize how much those small, everyday purchases are adding up. Those little purchases add up over time: a coffee every morning, takeout a couple of times a week. These seemingly minor expenses can accumulate quickly. They can eat away at your income. Before you know it, you're wondering where all your money went. Creating a budget doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Use apps like Mint and YNAB, which can automatically track your spending and categorize your expenses. These tools make it easier to see where your money is going and help you stay on top of your finances. Or create a simple spreadsheet to track your income and expenses. It doesn't have to be fancy, just something that works for you. You can also use a budgeting template to get started. There are many free templates available online that can help you organize your finances. The key is to find a method that works for you and stick with it. Consistency is crucial when it comes to managing your money. A budget is not about restricting yourself. It's about making conscious choices about where your money goes. It's about making conscious choices about where your money goes. By being mindful of your spending, you can ensure that your money is being used in ways that truly matter to you. Ensure your spending aligns with your values and goals. A well-planned budget helps you achieve your financial objectives and live a more fulfilling life. Let's talk about credit cards. They're a ubiquitous part of modern financial life, found in almost every wallet. They can be great for building credit and earning rewards. When used wisely, credit cards offer convenience and even protection against fraud. But carrying a balance on your credit cards can lead to a mountain of debt. This debt can quickly spiral out of control if not managed properly. Those tempting credit card offers often come with high interest rates. These rates can make it difficult to pay off your balance, especially if you're only making minimum payments. Average interest rates are over 20%, meaning you're losing money every month you don't pay off your balance. This can add up to significant amounts over time. Imagine borrowing $1,000 and only making minimum payments. The interest can accumulate rapidly, making it hard to get out of debt. At a 20% interest rate, it could take years to pay off that debt, costing you hundreds in interest. This is money that could be better spent or saved. Aim to pay your credit card balance in full every month. This way, you avoid interest charges and keep your financial health in check. If you can't, prioritize paying down high-interest debt first. This strategy helps you minimize the amount of interest you pay over time. Use the avalanche method to pay down the highest interest rate debt first. This method can save you the most money in interest payments. Or use the snowball method to pay off the smallest debt first for motivation. This can give you quick wins and keep you motivated to continue paying off debt. Using credit cards responsibly is about leverage, not liability. It's about making the most of the benefits without falling into the trap of debt. Spend only what you can afford to repay in full each month. This discipline ensures you stay out of debt and maintain a healthy credit score. Reap the benefits of rewards and build your credit without falling into debt. By managing your credit cards wisely, you can enjoy the perks without the pitfalls. Let's talk about investing. Time is your greatest asset. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. Compound interest is your money's superpower. Earnings generate more earnings. When you invest, your money earns interest or dividends, which can be reinvested. Many people put off investing thinking they need a lot of money or waiting for the right time. But there's no time like the present. Every year you delay is a year of potential growth missed. Invest $1,000 today at a 7% return, and in 30 years, it could grow to over $8,000. Time in the market beats timing the market. Start investing consistently, even if it's just a small amount. Micro-investing apps like Robinhood, Acorns, and Stash make it easy to start with as little as $5. These apps allow you to invest in fractional shares of stocks and ETFs. Build a diversified portfolio without breaking the bank. Let compound interest work its magic. Life is full of surprises, and not all are pleasant. Your car could break down, you could lose your job, or face unexpected medical bills. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. Without it, unexpected events can throw your financial plan off course. Imagine having to dip into savings or rack up credit card debt to cover an expense. An emergency fund provides peace of mind. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Start small and be consistent. Even saving $50 or $100 per month adds up over time. Keep your emergency fund in a high-yield savings account. These accounts offer higher interest rates and easy access to your funds. We've all been there. You see something you just have to have. Before you know it, you've made the purchase. Impulse buying can wreak havoc on your budget. It's often an emotional response to fill a void or keep up with others. Use the 24-hour rule to combat impulse buying. Wait 24 hours before purchasing. This gives you time to think rationally about whether you need the item. Ask yourself, do I need this? How will it impact my budget? Often the urge to buy passes after 24 hours. You'll realize you didn't need the item after all. Taxes, we can't avoid them, but we can minimize our tax liability. Ignoring tax-advantaged accounts is a big mistake. Accounts like 401(k)s, IRAs, and Roth IRAs help you save for retirement with tax benefits. If your employer offers a 401(k) plan, contribute, especially if they offer a match. A 401(k) match is free money. Traditional 401(k) contributions are pre-tax, lowering your taxable income. IRAs, individual retirement accounts, come in traditional and Roth types. Traditional IRAs offer tax-deductible contributions, but you'll pay taxes on distributions. Roth IRAs offer tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Contribute with after-tax dollars, and your money grows tax-free. Don't miss out on reducing your tax liability and boosting retirement savings. Talk to a financial advisor to determine the right account for you. Contribute as much as you can. And there you have it, the most common financial mistakes and how to avoid them. Remember, nobody's perfect. We all make mistakes, especially with money. The important thing is to learn from them and take action. Which of these mistakes resonate with you? Share your story in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and share with a friend. Until next time, take care and make those money moves.